Hi, this is Ken with WTI, and this is the Epson EcoTank ET-2803. I was so pleasantly surprised by the quality of the printing. These are photos for my creative journal. I really enjoy to do that, and I've been looking for the perfect printer, and this is it. I really like how it puts into paper what I see on my tablet. I also like to print not only in paper but in printable vinyl, and that's why I made these coasters. And the colors are just beautiful. This is just regular paper for stationery envelopes and notes. They're just beautiful. I really like the quality of the printing. The best part is that I don't have to spend a fortune on cartridges. I just need to refill tank and I'm ready to go. I have printed around 300 pages in color between photos and regular paper, and I didn't even see the ink lines move. And another big plus is that it's such a lightweight product that I can take it to different rooms in my house. And that's my point of view.